This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers, today in this video we'll learn how to write an algorithm, step form algorithm to make a tea. So we'll start like an initial attempt at an algorithm might be number 1, put tea leaves in pot. Number 2, add water to pot. And then step 3, boil water. Step 4, wait 5 minutes. And in the end, pour tea into cup. Now the first refinement for this algorithm writing will be, we will discuss these are the basic steps which we can initially attempt for write an algorithm to make a tea. Like first we'll put tea leaves in the pot and then add water to pot, boil water, wait 5 minutes, put tea into cup, the tea is ready. But if we discuss this technically, the first refinement will be like these steps are probably not detailed enough to make tea. We therefore refine each step into a sequence of further simpler steps that can be step 1, put tea leaves in pot. It might be refined to open box of tea, extract 1 spoonful of tea leaves, put spoonful into pot and close box of tea. Step 2 can be, we discussed the boil water. And it might be refined. We are actually refining this algorithm. It might be refined to number 1, fill kettle with water. Number 2, switch on kettle. Number 3, wait until water is boiled. Number 4, switch off kettle. Now we'll discuss the step number 5. Step 5 was the pour tea into cup. We will discuss and this refinement. It was pour tea into cup, and it might be refined as pour tea from pot into cup until cup is full. So it has only one step. Step number 5. Now this is the first requirement we have discussed. Now the second requirement can be like that. Some of the refined steps may be further refined. For example, step 2 can be refined as step 1. Type step 2. Fill kettle with water, and it might be refined to number 1. Pour kettle under tap. Turn on tap. Wait until kettle is full. Number 4. Turn off tap. Other steps may also require further refinements. So viewers, today we discussed module 9 step form algorithm, and we learned how to write a step form algorithm to make tea. First, initially we write down the simple steps how to make a tea, then we learn the refinement, how to define and refine all these steps one after another, like the one put tea leaves in pot. We can refine it like open box of tea, stir 1 spoonful of tea leaves, put spoonful into pot, close box of tea in the boiling water, fill kettle with water, switch on kettle, wait until water is boiled, switch off kettle, pour tea into cup, pour tea from pot into cup until cup is full. So you can make further requirement, like we have discussed this, that other steps may also require further requirements. So it doesn't mean that this is the final refinement of this algorithm. We can do more refinement if you want. We can give more detailed steps and discuss more detailed steps to make further refinement in this algorithm. So the algorithm, there is no end of refinement of algorithm. You can refine it again and again until you find it finally. So we have discussed this topic today, and thanks for watching, and that's all.